Hey folks, it's Chad here at Stovall Toyota. Today I wanted to show you a 2019 Toyota CHR that we just had traded in. So you can see it's a silver exterior. This package here, it is the LE package. See, it's a silver with a black cloth interior. Neat little thing with these cars, I love the door handle where they're placed on it. It's very stylish. In the back here, got some space. You can remove this for the additional height. You can fold the seats down to 60/40. See, there's the rubber mats in there. It's really well taken care of. Let me grab you some more information. So this 19 CHR only has 43,000 kilometers on it. It's in fantastic shape inside and out. You got the Bluetooth, you get rear view camera, heated seats, climate control. So why don't you come on in, check it out for yourself. Send me an email, chat@stovalltoyota.ca, and we'll set up a time to do that.